In today's skills video, I'm going to show you how to make brown scones. So lots of people when they come and visit Ireland say that they love the fresh scones that we have here and want to recreate them at home. One of the other things is the brown bread that they like. So I've created this skill here where it's a slightly different to your traditional method, but I'm going to make lovely brown scones. So we have 280 grams of the brown flour. Then I'm going to add in 160 grams of white flour just to make it that little bit lighter. Then I have 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm going to add in about 8 teaspoons of sugar just to sweeten it up a little bit. And then I have 110 grams of melted butter. I'm going to mix it all together. And then we're going to blend it all together with some buttermilk. If you can't get buttermilk, you can always I would use whole milk, and then I would add in a little bit of vinegar. So a regular distilled malt vinegar. So for about this quantity here, which is about 250, 300 grams, I would add in about a tablespoon of the vinegar, leave it for about 5 minutes, and then you'll get the right chemical reaction to make your scones. So we'll pour it in. We just want to add enough to make it to the right consistency. So add a little bit more. So it's quite a wet consistency that we're looking for. This is perfect. Turn a mixture out onto the floured board. A little bit of flour on top. And we'll give it a very gentle roll. So then we cut them into little rounds and lift them onto the tray. If you're using a good quality butter in this, you won't need to grease the tray. When you're cutting scones, you want to try and cut them straight down rather than at an angle like that, so that they will rise evenly. If you want to make the top of the scones a little bit golden, you can add in, whisk in a little bit of egg into perhaps a little bit of your buttermilk or just regular whisked up egg, and then we're going to brush the top of each. You don't want her to go down the sides, make an uneven rise, you just want to brush it over the top. At this stage we have our oven preheated to 200 degrees. And we're going to pop it in for test it after maybe 12 minutes. Okay, so now our scones have been in for about 15 minutes. Some of them are looking nice and golden. The best way to tell if they're cooked is really just to cut into one of them and have a look. So we take this one. And there we go. Thanks for watching today's video on Irish Brown Bread Scones. Please like and comment and let me know if you make them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you see lots of upcoming videos. Why not check out my other videos, like making sourdough bread from scratch at home or making tasty granola bars. Thanks for watching.